Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox, unbag, whatever, but the May Yesohyas bag. Oh, so Yesohyas is a monthly beauty subscription that only has full-size items. Now I am down with that. Um, Anytime you can get full-size items instead of little samples, it's always a better deal. So this subscription is like $14.99 a month, and you do have to pay the shipping and handling, and it all adds up to like 18 something a month. But to me, it's worth it because you're getting full size items instead of the little itty bitty samples, which some subscriptions does give you the deluxe size. So right here it is. I've not seen no sneak peeks. I have not seen nothing, so I am so excited. I've been getting this since I think around February, and I have like loved every bag I've got. Okay, so right was on top was Laris's Cosmetic. I do not know if I'm saying that. I don't know. And this is a DuPont. In the color Halo. So I'm going to guess that it's going to be something like a highlighter. But I don't know. When I think of pots, I kind of think of like eyeshadow, eye primers. Okay. So it is the Halo DuPont. Is it focusing? And right here it is. And I guess it's just like a cream highlighter. I don't know why I smell everything, but that's what I'm guessing it is. I've already got enough highlighter on, really don't need no more, but it don't hurt. It's very pretty. I really like it. Okay, so our next thing is Mirabella Lip. And it kind of looks like, I think it's a lip liner. It's in the color Smart. It's a lip definer. Okay, not a lip liner, a lip definer. Which I guess is probably the same thing. And it is the color Smart. Oh, that's pretty long. This kind of matches what I've got on today. I like it. I like the way it feels. I'm very funny about lip liners. And you can smudge that out really good too. Wear it as a lipstick. Wear it like for this color. So I'm really glad I got this because it matches my lips. Okay. So far I'm very happy, but that is a really long lip liner. Okay, so the next thing is by Appeal Cosmetics. It's a holographic lip gloss. I'm not going to open this one because I believe I have this color. I think I got it, was it last month, in BoxyCharm. So I don't want to open it since I already have it. I will save it for a giveaway so you guys can have some holographic in your life too. Okay, so that's already like 3 really good things. Okay, so the next thing is by Beauty Creations, and I really like Beauty Creations. I've got some of their stuff, and to me, they've always came with it. It's a upcoming indie brand that I believe one day will be a really happening makeup thing. But this is their palette Seduce Me. It's in there good. Okay. And they are vegan free. And it has all the little information on it. I can already tell I'm going to love this palette. You get a mirror. Then, look at these colors. You got your shimmers. You got your mattes. I'm really loving the way this looks. So, let's just... Now, the names are out there. I will say that. This one is Safe Word. FYEO. I don't know what that stands for. Dirty Talk. And did I not get... And this is Fantasy. Or no, this is Dirty Talk. This... Okay. I didn't really... Okay, that one's Fantasy. No, that one's Dirty Talk. It's not very... No. Okay. Let me wipe my hands off. Ooh, I love this color. Okay. So this color that I went sideways with, it is Submission. I went backwards. 50 Shades. I love that. Bite Me and Climax. These are, besides this one color right here, I've really liked the colors because this one is just like really pale, and I'm like pretty light skinned it, so but the shimmers are like really showing up like really, really good. I don't know. This is a lavender color. This right here, Obey. I think it just needs, which I really don't go by swatches on the arm. You get them on the eyes, and seems like, okay, there you go. And so them colors was Inner Goddess. And the next one was Obey, Favors, and Pillow Talk. I think this purple is going to be really pretty. And it's called Bisquick. Risque. Bisquick. I swore I seen a B. Risque. But they are so pretty. And ASRM. No. I don't know where I got that from either. Amora. Okay. Enough with that. But I do like that. Besides that one color, I'm kind of iffy about. But once I get it on the eyes, I'll know. Because I've seen some horrible, horrible swatches. Then end up putting it on my eyes. And then loving it. Because the rest of these are like really... The shimmers are like really pretty. I'll get that later. Okay. So, our last thing, we got 5 things this month, and our next thing is by Market Aid. It is a 1-sheet mask, and it's for all skin types. It is Detox Diva, and it's defoliate and detoxified. It's got green tea, lemon, and cactus in it, and it is a hydrating sheet mask. So, I've never tried anything by them. So, May de 5 de Mayo, I guess like Cinco de Mayo is like the theme this month. And our monthly savings is 79% off retail. And that is a big savings. I do know a little bit about Beauty Creations because I've used some of their stuff before. I've never personally had trouble with their stuff. Just that one shade did not swatch very good. But I'll wait and see when I use it on my eyes. That is a cute little card. Every month they always put in how much savings it is. They don't tell the prices. I would say would just tell the prices. because then you'd have to look it up yourself if you want to know the process. But Beauty Creation is like an indie brand, like I said, that is on the rise. But that was my favorite thing in the palette, and I don't know, can't wait to give this a try out one day when I don't have no other highlighters on. Might try it tomorrow. But I hope you guys did like this video, and I will put the link for Yesohyas in the description box. Follow my link. You will save off your first box. See if you like it. They always put some amazing stuff in there. And don't forget to hit that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.